welcome back to my channel, guys. And this is Mari Vlogs. My name is Mari, and in this video I am cleaning out my fridge. The angles, I do warn you ahead of time, are a little bit weird, and it's because I hardly had any space to move the camera around and everything in the kitchen due to the remodel of that. But I did the best that I could here for you guys, so I really hope that you enjoy it. So I'm using Clorox disinfectant wipes to clean out the shelves in the fridge. They weren't that dirty, but since we have produce in there and everything, I just did want to get everything cleaned out and disinfected. So that's what I'm using here to wipe down each of the shelves. guys, after I had put all the condiments like the ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, and all that stuff on the top shelf, I decided to put it all the way in the bottom, since it's not something that I use as often as like the butter and the stuff that I use for cooking. So that's why I decided to put that on top. Okay, so coming up, you guys, is the angle that I wish I would have had the camera for you guys in the first place. And again, this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.